Welcome back to the Michigan Business Beat, brought to you on the Michigan Business Network. I'm Chris Holman, coming to you from our studios at the Capital Region International Airport. And we're going to move across the planet to Shelby Township, actually. And Paul Patrash is joining us right now. He's the president and CEO of Elite Mold and Engineering. Paul, it's good to have you on. How you doing?
I'm doing good, Chris. Thank you for having me on this morning. It's
Well,
cold Michigan morning, but
well, at least we're indoors, which is a nice spot.
that's right.
Hey, tell everybody about your company, Elite Mold and Engineering.
Yeah, Elite Mold and Engineering. We were founded in 1982 by my brother-in-law and his brother Bob and his brother Joe. Started out as a small shop down in Detroit, just a two-man operation, and they built it up into where we're at today. We're about a 25-man operation. We have two divisions, Elite Mold and Elite Plastic Products. Elite Mold is our prototype and low volume division, and Elite Plastic Products is our high volume production injection molding division. We specialize in plastic injection molded parts for multiple markets: automotive, consumer, aerospace, oil and gas, you name it. We serve them.
Well, listen, 40 years of experience in the industry. We want to ask you a little bit about how that has changed, and things like the Carbon DLS,
Yeah,
additive manufacturing, 3D printing, all that.
absolutely. Yeah, it's definitely changed since I got started. Back when I got started, we were making molds using pantographs and wood models, and then CNCs came around and replaced the cross slides and the pantographs, and now we're moving into a whole new era where the 3D printing is really becoming a new tool to help manufacturing. It's not replacing CNC machines, but it's definitely helping the way we can get things done and allowing us to be more competitive. And that's what we need, especially as we compete with offshore competition.
Yeah.
If we want to bring the work back to the United States, we need to do it faster, competitive, and be more accurate and cost conscious to the customer. That's what they're looking for. And
Well,
the
it
3D
you,
printing
you're
and the DLS and the new Mantle 3D metal printer that we have allows us to get there.
yeah. Well, it's interesting because a lot of people get price conscious on this stuff, and they're going to go to a third world and have stuff made to their specs, etc. It's the total price you pay for the piece, because more often than not, you're sending that back and losing production time, etc. So when manufacturers are evaluating tooling or molding partners like yourself, what should they be basing that on?
Well, I think experience is a big factor. Like you said, we've been in business for over 40 years. Uh, Service, we're very responsive to our customers' needs when they have an issue or a question. We're able to turn around and give them an answer, same day or immediately. Get them on the phone and let's work through the issue. Let's work through the problem and help them out. We're here to help them, and that's what we do best, is help our customers.
So, how do you guys at Elite, how do you contribute to advancing the innovative manufacturing community ecosystem?
Yeah, we were awarded the Manufacturing Innovation Award this year. Last year, almost a year ago, we purchased a 3D metal printer from a company out of San Francisco called Mantle. And it's a hybrid 3D metal printer and CNC machine all in one. So what it allows us to do is manufacture the cavity, core, slide, lifter details out of H13 steel right in the machine, print them and CNC, and then take them into an oven and sinter them. And it allows us to take our traditional mold making process of about 8 steps down to about 4.
Wow.
So it really
Wow.
reduces time and cost for the customer.
So listen, we literally have about a minute left. Winning that Manufacturer's Innovation Excellence Award, that reflects on the work of your entire team. What aspects of your culture allows for this innovation? Because you don't see it a lot in manufacturing.
Yeah, I would say pretty much open-mindedness and willing to learn and to change and to adapt. If you don't adapt, you're going to die. You have to be willing to change with the times. And if you're not going to be willing to innovate,
Yeah.
and if you're stuck in the old way of doing things, you're not going to be around.
Well,
So
Paul,
our team is
you
very,
also,
I'm sorry, go ahead.
no, you probably also listen to your people, which allows for innovation too, which is
Absolutely.
really good.
Absolutely.
Paul, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it and continued good luck. Congratulations on your award,
Thank you,
Paul
Chris.
Patrash, President and CEO of Elite Mold and Engineering in Shelby Township. You're watching the Michigan Business Beat on the Michigan Business Network. I'm Chris Holman, and we will be back with more.